especially when 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 I got already experienced, hard to trust. Very hard. You know guys, better to be focus in a real friend in personal than to social media. Why? The personal friend here that you can hug, you can like you can see each other, you can trust it. You can trust it. When the subdivision on my on when I was stay on, all the people there knowing in me, they can see me every day, every time I pass the gate, every time I walk in the street there to go out there, they can see me. They can say hi, everything in it. And then sometimes we'll have a bonding there. Still, I'm in the group of the chat and the subdivision. I'm still have. Yeah? People thinking that I kicking my ass in there. No. I'm still there. They are all welcome in me. I'm still in the group, in the chat, group chat. Yeah? So, when we are bonding in there and then have a green talks or something, like spreading those secrets or something, you never heard anything. I've been many years stay there, but I never heard anything about it to spreading, no. Unlike in here in the social media, just a simple thing, simple thing, problem can create more trouble.